Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now click open. And here you can set Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices and then click not now. Now you can turn on notifications from this browser or click not now. And here your Firefox browser is now installed and set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.